Today I'm going to show you how you can fold your hoodies like they do in stores. So pretty flat and nice. So I got a couple of different ways I want to show you, but let me just show you the quickest and easiest way first. So we want to start by zippering up the hoodie if it does have a zipper. From here I'm just going to turn it on its back side and we're going to fold the hood backwards. So you want to make sure that the hood kind of lines up along the top of the shoulders here. Stretch the hood out nicely and flat like this. And from here we're ready to fold in the arms. So this time we're just going to fold the arms straight down. So you want to make sure that it kind of runs along the bottom of the hoodie here. Again, flatten it out nicely like this, and we repeat on the other side here as well. And here comes the cool part. So you see the shoulders are kind of shaped inwards now. So if we fold it in about 1/4 the width of the hoodie on both sides, wow, you can see it kind of lines up perfectly with the actual hood here. So that makes that we can actually fold this and it's going to end up quite flat. And at this point we just split it in half at about the middle right beneath the hood. And we fold it over. Ta-da! Nice and flat folded hoodie. So that's by far the easiest way that you can fold hoodies. And I think many of you will be happy with this if you just want to stack them on top of each other easily. I want to show you a little alternative that you can kind of stuff it inside the hood as well. That's pretty cool. So again, I'm going to start by taking the hoodie here, zipper it up, and we're going to place it with the back side facing up this time. This time I'm not going to start by taking the hood and folding that up, but I'm going to fold the arms over to the opposite side instead. So just quick and easy like this, you can see, super fast. And then from here we're going to split the hoodie into 3 parts from side to side. So I'm going to take one side first, 1/3. So the idea is that you want to make sure it's like inside the area of the actual hood here. And we'll repeat here on the other side as well, like that. And from here, I like to split it in 3, since this is a quite large hoodie. If you have a like medium-sized one, maybe you can split it in 2 here. But I'm going to do 3, 1 and 2. So that it's 1/3, 1/3. And then from here, I'm going to take the hood, flip it back, and now I can wrap it over the entire hoodie. So you can see this is quite flat as well. You don't need to tighten up these strings at all, but you can if you want to make like a nice bow, make some nice presentation about this. By the way, what you could also do instead of pulling the hood all the way over is just leave like half of it over, and you get kind of same fold but kind of a cooler presentation, I would say. Then you could like, let me just turn this around. Don't want to tie a knot backwards on camera, that would be embarrassing. It would be wrong. So let's just make a simple knot here, like this. Yes, beautiful. But yeah, I think this could be quite nice for presentation, especially if you're going to give this as a gift to someone. You know, you get a hoodie with like a nice bow on it. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, those are 3 ways that you can fold your hoodies. So if you like stuff like this, you have come to the right place. I have a bunch more of this on the channel, like this video on how to fold your sweaters, like all your other sweaters, like cardigans, regular ones. I have another video on that that's super cool. You can check that out next. If you like this channel, definitely consider subscribing as well. But you can check out this video first, and yeah, I'll see you over there.